Functional minimalist open shelving ideas for organizing small kitchens. The dilemma of the small kitchen is a familiar narrative for many homeowners and city dwellers. The constant battle between the desire for a culinary sanctuary and the restrictive reality of square footage. In compact spaces, standard upper cabinetry can often feel oppressive, looming over countertops and absorbing precious light, creating a tunnel effect that makes the room feel even smaller than it is. This is where the strategic application of open shelving becomes not just an aesthetic preference, but a spatial necessity. By removing the bulk of heavy cabinet doors, we unlock the visual potential of the walls, allowing the eye to travel all the way to the perimeter. However, executing this in a small footprint requires a delicate marriage of rigid organization and minimalist restraint. It is less about decoration and more about creating a highly functional, breathable ecosystem where every item earns its rent on the shelf. Maximizing vertical real estate. In a kitchen with limited floor area, the only way to expand is upward. Open shelving provides a unique opportunity to utilize vertical space that traditional cabinets often waste. The area above the lintel of a window, the awkward gap above the refrigerator, or even the narrow slice of wall between a door frame and a counter can be reclaimed with floating shelves. The hierarchy of reach. To make this functional, one must adopt a strict hierarchy of placement based on frequency of use. The primary zone, the shelf immediately reachable without a stool, should host the daily workhorses, coffee mugs, dinner plates, and water glasses. As the shelves ascend, the items should become less critical to daily operations. The highest tiers, often accessible only with a stepladder, are perfect for the beautiful but infrequently used items, such as the cake stand used only for birthdays, or the large roasting pan reserved for holidays. This vertical stratification ensures that the kitchen remains ergonomic while drawing the eye upward, accentuating the height of the ceiling rather than the tightness of the walls. Continuous lines in small spaces, chopping up the visual field creates clutter. Consider running a single, long shelf across the entire length of a wall, passing over the sink and the stove, rather than staggering shorter shelves. This continuous horizontal line elongates the room, tricking the brain into perceiving a wider space. If the shelf material matches the wall color, e.g., white oak on white plaster, the structure itself disappears, leaving only the curated objects to float in suspension. The capsule kitchen, a lesson in reduction. Minimalism in a small kitchen is not merely a style, it is a discipline of inventory. Just as the capsule wardrobe revolutionized personal style by focusing on a few high-quality, interchangeable garments, the capsule kitchen applies the same logic to cookware and dining essentials. Open shelving exposes the volume of what we own, and in a small kitchen, there is no place for redundancy. Uniformity. As the most effective way to organize open shelves in a compact space is through uniformity. Mismatched branding, varying sizes of plastic bags, and a rainbow of clashing colors create visual vibration, which reads as mess. The solution lies in decanting. Transferring dry goods, pasta, flour, sugar, lentils, into matching glass jars or uniform ceramic canisters instantly quiets the visual noise. When purchasing dinnerware for open shelves, consider how the stack looks. Nesting bowls and plates that sit flush against one another save vertical space and look intentionally designed. If your kitchen is small, you likely do not need service for 12 on display. Keep 4 to 6 settings on the shelf and tuck the rest away in lower storage or a pantry. This breathing room between stacks is crucial. Without it, the shelves will look like a grocery store aisle rather than a home. Zoning and workflow integration. In a sprawling kitchen, you might have the luxury of a dedicated baking station or coffee corner. In a small kitchen, these zones must overlap, yet open shelving can still help define them without building walls. The point of use philosophy. Positioning shelves according to the workflow is essential for functionality. Above the coffee machine, install a short, dedicated shelf housing coffee beans, sugar, and mugs. This creates a self-contained morning ritual station that doesn't sprawl across the limited counter space. Near the stove, open shelves here should hold the immediate cooking needs: olive oil, salt, pepper, and perhaps a crock of wooden spoons. However, keep these items in easy-to-clean materials like glass or glazed ceramic, as they will be exposed to cooking vapors. Above the dishwasher/sink, this is the logical home for everyday dishes. The proximity allows for an effortless unloading process. Taking a plate from the rack and placing it directly onto the shelf above eliminates unnecessary steps and traffic in a tight work triangle. Utilizing the underside. When horizontal surface area is scarce, the minimalist must look at the shelf not just as a platform, but as a structure with two usable sides. The underside of a sturdy floating shelf is prime real estate, often ignored. Hanging solutions installing simple brass hooks or a magnetic strip beneath the lowest shelf can double your storage potential. Mugs can hang by their handles, freeing up the wood surface above for bowls. A magnetic strip can hold spice jars with metal lids, keeping them accessible but off the counter. For a more industrial or rustic minimalist look, a rail system mounted immediately below the shelf can hold S-hooks for pots, pans, or hanging utensil baskets. This layering adds depth and utility, ensuring that the open aspect of the shelving works twice as hard. Softening the edges, texture, and light. A small kitchen comprised solely of hard lines, square tiles, rectangular shelves, metal appliances can feel clinical. Minimalist organization needs warmth to feel livable. Woven textures incorporate natural textures to hide the ugly necessities. A shallow woven basket or a wooden box on a lower shelf can serve as a catch-all for loose items like tea bags, chip clips, or vitamin bottles. The texture of the wicker or wood breaks up the monotony of glass and ceramic, adding an organic touch that grounds the space. Reflective surfaces light is the greatest weapon against the feeling of confinement. If your shelves are positioned near a window, ensure that the objects placed there allow light to filter through. Clear glassware, stemware, or pale ceramics will bounce light back into the room. Avoid placing heavy, dark cookbooks or opaque solid blocks on the window-facing side of a shelf, as they will absorb the natural light that a small kitchen desperately needs. The edit, a continuous process. Perhaps the most important aspect of maintaining functional minimalist shelving in a small kitchen is the understanding that it is not a set-it-and-forget-it project. It is a living system. Because the items are exposed, they're subject to the accumulation of life, dust, grease, and the inevitable creep of new purchases. The successful minimalist treats their open shelves as a dynamic display. If a bowl is chipped, it is removed. If a gadget hasn't been used in 6 months, it is donated. This continuous editing process ensures that the kitchen remains spacious and efficient. In the end, open shelving in a small kitchen transforms the constraints of the room.